Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can roll back Nvidia drivers. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So let's get started. Perform a search for Nvidia on your preferred web browser and access the Nvidia website. And once you're on the website, you will find the drivers option located in the top right corner. Clicking on this section will redirect you to the page where you can select the appropriate drivers for Nvidia products. Now on this page, you can input specific details about the product such as product type, product series, operating system and more. By searching for your specific driver, you will be directed to the page where you can choose the driver that suits your requirements based on the specifications you're providing. Now, to find the correct Nvidia driver for the product, you need to provide specific details such as product type, series, model, or operating system, and in the case of Windows, the driver type. These details help narrow down an options presented to you. You may also have the option to specify the driver version and select the appropriate download type for your needs. If you want to download older versions, then just select the update from the versions list and simply download it. Once you have made your selection, you can download and install the choosing driver for optimal performance and compatibility, and that's it. And this is how you can roll back your Nvidia graphics drivers. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.